it's Jessica Fox with Virtual Support Backers, powered by Cyberbacker. As you know, I've been a team leader forever and now a MAPS coach. And truth be told, much of my support has been because I've been supported by my Cyberbacker. So I went from a super user to now a franchise owner for the Tampa market. And I'm here today to share with you how you can leverage a great Cyberbacker in your business. Here's my partner, Chari. Chari, tell us more.
Thank you so much, Jessica. And yes, I'm also from the virtual support backers team, and I am your setup partner, Chari. So I will be the one that will talk to you about the things, services that we offer here so that you can get the leverage that you would be needing. Jessica, back to you.
Great. And there's so many options with us at Cyberbacker. You could have a part-time person, a full-time person, someone that's focused on administrative tasks, or someone that might be gifted in cold calling. In fact, here's a sneak peek of our most popular job description that Chari will share with you if you have more interest. It's the MREA Implementer Support Backer. From admin to marketing to database management and more, there's so many things your Cyberbacker can do for you. So by simply visiting our website and logging in and giving your contact information or calling our number, we'll share this MREA implementer job description with you. Now, once you decide you want to move forward, Chari and our team will connect with you to do a detailed business evaluation. Now, what the heck is a business eval?
Now, a business evaluation is I will get to know not just you, but actually your business so we can tailor fit a job description that you need specifically for your business. Now, I don't know what calendar do you follow? Do you follow like January to December, October, November? However you would want to look it as, then we will be there. Whatever your goal is would be your cyberbacker's goal, and the job specifics as well as the tools that you would want them to be familiar with, we will be on top of it. And those things, by the way, will be discussed during the business evaluation call. And then after the BE.
Go ahead.
Yeah, after the BE or the business evaluation would be the speed dating, the whole interview process. Jessica, would you want to discuss that as well?
Sure. So once we've gone and dug deeper into what you specifically want, what programs you use, we can then pull from thousands of candidates the perfect match for you. We actually have a person behind the scenes that's making matches all day long. So when you are doing your speed dating interviewing, we will be bringing you somewhere between 3, 4, or 5 candidates that are already vetted and ready to go. Any one of these hires would be a total match for you. And that's one of the big differences for longevity in the role. So when you get in front of your candidates, which will take somewhere between 3, 5, 10 days for us to scale all of our talent for you, you need to be ready to make a choice. You'll be put in front of talent. And don't be surprised if maybe one of the people that we put in front of you may have already been hired. So that's one thing. We just want to get you to be prepared for what to expect. And once you found your match, and you'll know it's very magical, then it goes back to training. So what does that look like, Chari?
Yes. So first part is a business evaluation. Second is what Jessica discussed for the hiring interview process. Now, training falls on us. I know, Jessica, some of them would be saying, I cannot train them. I don't have the bandwidth or the time to do that. We know you don't have the luxury of time. So training will fall on us on all the specific things that you would be needing your cyberbacker to do after 2 weeks of training them with the specifics and basics that they need to know. Then the cyberbacker will be endorsed back to you, either doing your admin task, all of the back end support, or doing the dial ups for you if you are veering towards an ISA role. And I think that is fantastic, Jessica, right?
Right. So it takes about a month really to get started. So many of you may say, yeah, January, right around the corner, I'm going to get started then. So we have a special offer for you today because we don't want you to wait, because we have talent today. And Chari, what is our our December gift for those that connect with you and sign a contract in December?
Our December gift would be if you sign up and don't delay, that urgency. For December, we will be offering you, instead of a year commitment, a 90-day trial. So you get to try it first for the first 3 months, gauge and see if this is something you would be needing. And then after that, we'll talk again. But we would want you to avail that 90-day trial, especially for you. Jessica?
So don't delay. Sign up today at virtualsupportbackers.com. Chari will also give you that job description that we put up on the screen that you can kind of think on. And this is the first conversation towards your virtual support backer leverage. We're here for you, so don't be shy. Reach out today.